Hi, I'm Anand and I just graduated from NJIT. I did my master's degree in data science and I'm looking for job. I'm looking for full-time jobs in the job market in domains like data scientist, data analytics, business analytics and so on. And this is my virtual resume and uh, I'm gonna share you all my experiences and skills I have developed over time and here it goes. So I did my education from NJIT in like I just graduated in December. I did my master's in data science and the relevant coursework is data mining, deep learning, data analytics, and so on. I did my bachelor's from India, and where it was a computer and communication engineering, basically computer science and electronical little bit. So my skills, my area of expertise are basically in data structures, algorithm, web development, database management, machine learning, data science, recommendation systems, NLP, Tableau, Power BI, and I also started learning about generative AI and large models. My programming language is basically in Python, C, HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, Java, scikit-learn. I've been doing Python, HTML, CSS, PHP for around 6 years, and I'm fluent in those things. Then I have my technologies that are Flask, Fast API, React.js, Node.js, NumPy, Pandas, Keras, MySQL, and OpenCV2 and Snowflake. Snowflake because I have a big data as a subject and I learned how to use that data. The most recent experience I got is in Bayer, where I worked as a data scientist. It was a part of my capstone project where I was chosen by Bayer to work with them on a project for the semester period. I was given advertisement data that consists of 3 million plus rows, which had clicks, impressions, and a lot of advertisements things like video stop, video pause, uh, video format, media format, and everything. So our main aim was to gather insights about from the advertisement data, like what are the audience group and how they behave. So if the website they go to is BBC News, so basically that audience group is more determined into the sector, news category. And if they go to Fox Sports, so basically they are part of Fox, they are part of a sports category, and so we can target them uh, with a customized advertisement from the marketing team. The next was teaching assistant from at NJIT, where I assisted professor with the course fundamental to design to 13 students. We utilized technologies like Creo, Microbit, Canvas, Arduino, and 3D printing. Uh, I taught them how to use Microbit and Arduinos, and that's it. The next internship was at Boost Money. I worked as a data science intern. We designed an entity extraction model, basically using BERT models and achieving a 92% accuracy rate. We used Hugging Face models to extract data. So basically, we were given a transaction data and we had to uh, extract merchant name and category name, like what is the payment category, like are they for dining or shopping and something like that. And then we ran queries in the database and created a machine learning model that can be useful. It was 1 month internship only because I had a teaching assistant job lined up at NJIT. Then and the biggest internship I worked was basically at data science as a data science intern at SnapHunt. So basically, I created a job recommendation system using Python and machine learning, which helped in getting better jobs and better alternative options with the accuracy of 94%. So basically, if you are searching for data scientist, a data scientist should know Python, machine learning, and uh, regression and those things. So when you search for data scientist, if that job is not available, it's gonna show up other jobs that I said, like machine learning, Python developer, and so on. So you can apply to that job. So that was my recommendation system model, and that's it. So my projects that I have worked on is a movie recommendation system. Movie recommendation system basically it 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 was supposed to be a movie recommendation system using facial recognition. I had both the models, and both the models work perfectly separately, but I wasn't able to collaborate each other into one another. So my main motive was to get facial recognition. Like if you're smiling, it's gonna predict a comedy movie. If you're sad, it's gonna predict a sad movie, and so on. I wasn't able to complete it because of my bachelor's. I was doing this project in my bachelor's, and I wasn't able to complete that with because of the coursework. Next is the stock prediction model. I built a stock market prediction model using regression analysis and Python libraries and R code. And I like we were given a budget, and using that budget we had to optimize the stock market monthly, so to get the max profit we can get. The third project I did was invisibility cloak, that was basically using computer vision. If you have seen Harry Potter movie, he had a invisibility cloak. The idea is same as that. Basically, uh, the camera clicks a picture of my background, and then when I come in front, I can code a color. So basically, if I'm wearing a blue t-shirt and a black pants, it's I can code the color to blue t-shirt, and blue t-shirt will be removed, and the previous image will be implemented as a layer on that, and it worked like a transparent thing. And the last project that I had was eMedicare, that was implementing a web application that can manage multiple medical records and scan all the medical reports like MRI, X-rays, and so on. Basically, it we were working as a part of a hackathon in my second year of my bachelor's, and we were trying to create a online hospital system where multiple doctors can consult with multiple patients, and it can also have a online prescription from one another. And with in the process of that, I also reviewed 20 research papers related to that, and that's my resume. Other than that, I have a Kaggle website where I had some competitions in the Kaggle competitions, and I scored 64th rank. I also have a GitHub repo where you can go and see the invisibility cloak and movie recommendation codes written there. And that's it. That's me. Basically, that's my resume. And I am currently working on generative AI and LLM, and I'm still learning and uh, keeping myself up with the technology and everything. And I'm looking for a job. So if you have any recommendation, please let me know. And this is my virtual resume, and thank you for listening to it. Bye bye.